Okay, now we'll see the list in HTML. So there are three kinds of list in HTML. First is called unordered list. So as the name suggests, it's not in the order. Second is the ordered list. So it's in the order, obviously. And third is the description list. So it's the description of the whatever content you have. So there are three types. So let me just make it BR. So always remember there are three types of lists. And BR slash yeah. So like control X and let me paste it here and yeah. So first is unordered, second is ordered, and third is description list. So we'll start with the unordered list. So let me just remove this thing and start it from here. Just unordered list written in above. Okay. So unordered list start like with the UL tag. UL tag is signed for unordered list. In UL, let me just save it firstly. Yeah, in UL, what is happening? Yeah, in UL we have li. Li means list. So we have a list of items. So let me just save it. See, nothing happened, just a dot. Dot it's describing there is a list. So so I'll say company name. So I'll say Google. Save it. See, and I'll say again li. I'll say Microsoft. Save it. Then I'll say li Apple. Okay. So this is the way you can create an unordered list. Why it's called unordered? Because we cannot put this in order. Suppose obviously we can put Apple at the above, but we can't automatically put it above. So we want Apple to be automatically come above, so we can't do it without ordered list. That's why we use ordered list. So unordered list like is simple, just a list. Let me just remove this thing. Okay, yeah. So unordered list like a list. So let me show you again. Just put a save it. So just put a tag called UL, and inside UL we have li list, and we'll say name Kash and whatever name we'll have, and second li is Steve. Save it. So UL we have li list name. Okay, so this is the unordered list. So now let's just move forward with the ordered list. We'll say ordered list. So same as UL, we have OL for orders list. So we'll say OL. Then again we'll say LI. Then we'll say what do we say? Same thing, Google. Then again LI. Then we'll say Apple. Then again LI. Then we'll say Microsoft. So now it's showing the numbers. See, you can see now it before it was showing. If I just put a UL here, see UL, sorry UL. So it's just a boolean points. So now if I use OL ordered list, so it's now showing the number 1 2 3. You can just remove the number and all the stuff with the help of CSS, and it's little bit margin from the index. You can see this is the starting of the browser. It's little bit you can say far from the this edge of the browser. Okay, now if suppose I want to change the way these things are ordered, so I'll say or whatever. If I'll say suppose type A. Okay, save it. So now it's showing me in alphabets form, like listing in A B C instead of 1 2 3. If you want to make it 1 2 3, just do type 1. So without writing type 1 also it's support, because by default it's 1 2 3. But if you want to change, you can do it like type A. I want order in type A B C. Like if I put any other company name, so if I say Netflix, so D is called Netflix, so Netflix will be in is in the D spot. So this is the way we can do it. Okay, A B C D. But if you want in small letters, so we'll just say A. Save it. Now it will be in small letters. And now suppose you want in Roman numbers, so you just say capital I, and it will be now in Roman numbers, so it will automatically keep on numbering. But you want small Roman numbers, just put small I, and it will be in small Roman numbers. So that's why the difference between order and unordered list. So you can automatically put your name and everything with ordered list, and in unordered you can't put it, will be always booleans. Okay, now suppose let me remove this, and it will be a normal number. Okay, 1 2, but I want the number to be starting from 1. Okay, I want it to start from 1 or 50. Sorry, it's automatically starting from 1, so I'll say start equals to 50. So it's say 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. If I say 100, so it will start from 100. If I say end, so it will be normal, because end doesn't, so end is not the keyword. The keyword is, we have to write reversed, reversed, reversed. Save it. Now it will be in the reversed order. See, 4 3 2 1. So this is the way you can control ordered list in HTML. Okay, these are the ways. Now we'll see description list. Okay, so let me just remove the ordered list part, and here we'll say description list. So as the name suggests, it's a little bit describe about the data and all that stuff. What is the list about? So we'll say DL, like description list, and we close it. Then inside this we'll say DT, not D list, we'll say DT. Okay, we'll say not LI, we'll say DT. And suppose we'll say Google, it's coming like Google, so we want to describe about it, so we'll say DT. After that we'll say DD. Now here we'll write the description, its biggest search engine. Save it. So it's a description about that. Now the, if you want a second list, you say DD, and you say Apple, and again you'll say DT for it, and you'll say iOS is owned by them. Save it. So now it's showing Apple iOS is owned by them. So that's the way you can like do it. Okay, like whatever the, but there is one problem, I again wrote DD, so that's why it's coming in the same line, because it's showing DD of the same thing, so we can just change Apple to DT, so it will be okay. So yeah, and this to DD. Okay, so description list, so I'll say DT. Now DT stand for description list, obviously the term, so it defines the term of the so term is Google, and after that it describes the whole term in DD, so it's a search engine. Then again DT, Apple, iOS owned by them, DD, and it's called DD. So these are the lists in HTML. So let me just remove all of it. Yeah, so it's got removed.